We just received the news that Ruth Hwara has died. I was away from town, but this really hits me home. And I said this about 2 days back.
Hazvina kumbosiyana nezviri kuitwa nevanhu vari kutora mari that was meant for COVID-19 vachiisa muhomwe dzavo, vachitenga maBentley, vachitenga maRolls Royce. They are no different. You understand? And this picture of Ruth, I just pray and hope kuti achakwanisa kuenda kuIndia on time before it is too late. But if someone is going to die because mari yadyiwa, I think it is going to paint a picture of how painful it is for people vari politics and everything, how painful it is to eat money that is meant for hospitals and money that is meant for public and putting it in their own pocket.
This should be a lesson to us as Zimbabweans that as much as we are seeing the issue ya Ruth yekudyirwa mari, we must also be able to see how this issue ya Ruth yekuti adyirwa mari nema relatives, it's very, very crucial. But it also speaks to the how part of how money is being squandered. You know, Zimbabwe talks of how much money is squandered in corruption and how many people are dying because somebody squandered money and they are using it on themselves. They are using it to buy properties. They are using it to buy other things. And this money is not coming back to the people who are desperately in need of it. And I believe that until such a time comes as Zimbabweans, when we start to see that the case of Ruth Hwara is as similar as it is a case of when people are saying, guys, the issue of corruption is actually killing our people. It's not just issue of corruption, people saying mari yakadyiwa and all of that. The issue of corruption is actually killing our own people, the same way how Ruth died. I said this about 2 days back, and I could not help it but to just imagine how people have felt and how we feel about our monies, like when the monies for COVID were being looted, all of that. If we picture that, that should give us a clear picture of how money that is being spent on corruption affects the everyday man in the street.